A very good morning, children. In this video, I am giving you the exam ready notes and the important question answers related to the chapter Outcomes of Democracy. So let us start with the first question. The first question is of the first topic. And the first topic is the advantages of democracy. In the first page itself, you have discussed why democracy is considered as one of the best forms of government all over the world. So this will be the first question. Whenever this question will be there, you are supposed to write about the advantages of democracy given in the first page itself. Then there can be a question, what are the things that a democracy must provide? I have given you certain points. These points you will note down. There are total 9 points, so you will note down all the 9 points. Then there can be a twisted question, why is democracy a better form of government? If this is also asked, you just remember the positive points of democracy you are supposed to write. Then there can be another question, democracy produces an accountable, responsive and legitimate government. Justify the statement. So I have presented certain points. Note down these points for the answer. There are total 7 points. Then there can be another question. Mention the major outcomes of democracy. This topic, this question covers the entire chapter. Here you have to write about all the outcomes of democracy that you have discussed in the whole chapter. It may be how it gives political equality, it gives right to women, it gives right to minority, and how it protects the dignity and freedom of individual, and how it accommodates social diversity. All these points you will write down. Okay, so it is a long question. Whatever topic you have discussed, the whole chapter you are going to present in your answer in a concise form. Then, so many times a question comes related to the positive outcomes of democracy. So that because you have read the whole chapter, so you will note down what are the positive outcomes of democracy or why democracy is one of the best forms of government. So 9 points are given here. You can write by your own also some more points. Now there can be a question related to economic growth and development in democracy. So in this topic, you are supposed to write that the non-democratic governments, they show slightly higher rate of economic growth, but in spite of all this also, you should prefer democratic government because economic development depends upon several factors, and the factors are given in your book, and I have presented through the slide also. So there are several other positive outcomes for which we should prefer for a democratic form of government. Then there can be another question from the third outcome that is given in your book. Is economic growth in democracy accompanied by increased inequalities among people? So I have given here some points. 4 points are given here. You will write down these points. So I haven't put numbers, but there are 4 points, so you will write down these numbers. Now measurement of democracy as per their outcome, ये क्या होना चाहिए, that is being given. But ऐसा नहीं है कि डेमोक्रेसी का कोई बुराई नहीं है. Some tainted records are also there, some drawbacks are there. तो ये क्या drawbacks है, that is also being given. So note down these points. Then what can we expect from the democratic government? Definitely it should be corruption free. थोड़ा सा मैंने लिखा है, आप अगर ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आता है तो you can write down by your own also in the examination. Mention the steps taken to reduce the effect of casteism in democracy. So that is given in your book towards the last, जहाँ जो topic है it protects the rights and dignity of individual, उसमें से आप लिखोगे. Democracy accommodates social diversity. How it accommodates social diversities, and it is presented point wise that you are going to write. So the last topic the last outcome out of the 5 outcomes, democracy enhances the dignity and freedom of citizens. तो I have given few points, you will note down these points. सबसे आखिरी में जो लास्ट पैराग्राफ है उसमें से क्वेश्चंस है, कुछ क्वेश्चंस है, इसमें से एक क्वेश्चन मैंने लिखा हुआ है, एक्सपेक्टेशंस फ्रॉम डेमोक्रेसी सर्व इज द क्राइटेरिया टू जज एनी डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री. तो इसकी कुछ आंसर्स है, आई हैव presented in the form of slides. Note down these points. And at last, I have given a concise chart of the chapter. Go through it, read it, and have a nice day.